Hey guys, let's talk how to make money on Snapchat. Because yes, people actually make a living out of it, and not just the Kylie Jenners of the world, right? There are a few legit ways to turn your snaps into stacks, depending on your style. Let's break them down. First of all, the Snapchat Spotlight, right? You can find it at the bottom right. If I played it, if I, press it, it will play a voice. So this is the easiest entry point for most creators. Basically, Spotlight, Snapchat pays creators for viral videos on the Spotlight page. Basically, Snapchat's version of TikTok's For You feed. How it works, post short, fun, or viral content using the Spotlight, right? And if your video gets high engagement, Snapchat might pay you. The payout range from few dollars to thousands if you blow up. One tip, use trending sounds, captions, and clean editing. Snapchat's algorithm loves quick, satisfying clips like life hacks, glow ups, pranks, or cool transitions. Step 2, brand deals and sponsorships. Once you build a following or have a strong engagement, brands love working with Snapchat influencers for product shoutouts or story takeovers. Typical pay ranges from 100 to 10,000 per campaign depending on your reach. Pro tip, keep your engagement high. Brands care more about how interactive your audience is than how big it is. Right? At affiliate marketing, you can promote products with trackable links and earn commissions when followers buy. Example, you can sign up for Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or DG Store. Post a product story and include your affiliate link in your bio or snap, right? Step 4, premium or private snap. Not the yes or not the sus type, right? Calm down. This just means exclusive paid content like tutorials, coaching, or behind the scenes stories. You can charge followers on Patreon or a subscription app that and give them access to your private snap content, basically, right? Example, a fitness coach could post daily routines, or a filmmaker could show BTS content. Step 5, Snapchat Discover and shows. If you're a serious creator or brand, you can launch your own Snap show or join Discover. Snapchat shares ad revenue with you, just like YouTube. This route takes more setup, but if your show gains traction, you can make real money monthly. Step 6, sell your own product or service. Use Snapchat as a marketing funnel. Sell merch, edits, shoutouts, templates, or even freelance work. Build trust through stories and snaps, then redirect to your link, e.g. like Fiverr, Etsy, or your own site. Bonus tip, use Spotlight daily. Consistency matters. Add trending hashtags in music. Cross-promote your snaps on TikTok and Instagram. Keep your content vertical, fast-paced, and entertaining. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.